Well, hello, good evening. Last night we were looking at this little Hornby Dublo N2s tank. Last night we didn't have one of those little plugs on it, and well, it was just never going to work with that missing, so we robbed one out of this scrap chassis, and yeah, we dug out my soldering iron, and just in case I needed a bit of solder, we dug out my coil of solder, glued a new piece of wire in onto that plug. I've reassembled the engine. What I haven't done is I haven't remagnetised the magnet. Explained that last night. My magnetiser is in England. Right, well, I don't think this is going to work particularly well, but I think it will work sort of now. Well, let's just make sure the track's working. Yeah, that locomotive really ought to have gone round a bit quicker than that. The track is dirty, but it is working. So, where were we? Let's pop this little chap on here, and let's just see. Right, okay, well, I'm pleased with that, pleased. Obviously it's not working how it should, but nothing that a zap with the magnetiser won't cure. So what we'll do, we'll pop this back in its box, we'll pop the body back on it so we don't lose any bits, and yeah, we'll have a go at that in April. Now I know you wanted to see one of these running, so well, I think that wants a service, but it runs. Oh, it does run. It also falls apart because this one is missing its front fixing screw. And that's seen better days, hasn't it, that one? Well, as far as carrying out an inventory goes, yeah, we've established we've got this little one, this gloss one, that works-ish. We've got this very shabby one that works-ish. We've got this one which doesn't work because it's missing the most important bit. It's actually missing the armature out of the motor, and we've got this one that doesn't work. Now, interestingly, these three have all got spoked wheels, and this one has got plain discs. I'm sure someone will explain that to me later. But I think that one, apart from being remagnetised and made to run a bit better, stays as it is. And I think this one might be the one that gets cleaned down and repainted and made beautiful. I think that's probably a good idea. Yeah, and that one can just stand out of the way for a while.